guys, it's the 4th day of Christmas. On the 4th day of Christmas, we are making a yummy recipe. We call this Lamington, which is an Australian dessert. I am super excited to show you this recipe today because what? I love this recipe and we're also gonna love this recipe. The recipe is giving. Oh my god. In the spirit of Christmas, it's happy. Hey, are you happy? I'm happy. Hey, I'm happy. So the question on is to you. Are you happy? We're starting with the Lamington cubes. For the Lamington cubes, we're making use of flour, melted butter, eggs, sugar, which is not available here. Let's go guys and make Lamington. Who is happy? Hey, are you happy? Are you happy? Guys, we have our bowl here. First of all, I'm going to be cracking 4 eggs into this bowl. I have my sugar. Sugar is going now. Then we give it a good mix. At this point, we are done. And the work of the mixer is also over. This is my flour, already sifted flour. Then I'll measure in my baking powder. I'm going to be using spatula to mix this. What we have. Then I put in the melted butter now. And this is what we have. I'll transfer it into the baking pan and bake it. Alright guys, I have my pan, with my parchment paper. Going to be putting it inside to bake. This right here is going into the oven. Alright guys, our Lamington cube is on fire. Now we'll go ahead to prep the chocolate and my coconut. So what I'm going to do is to peel the back, then I will use my grater to grate it. That's a small one, yeah, to grate it. Yeah, because I need it white, so I'll need to peel the back. After peeling it, this is what we have, guys. See what we have. Then I'll go ahead and grate it with this small side, okay? I am done grating the coconut. Now we're gonna make our chocolates. When I say chocolate, say chocolates. So for this chocolate, what you need is your melted butter, you need cocoa powder, you need your warm milk, and granulated sugar or icing sugar. Let's go guys. Let's go. Let's go. For the chocolate dip, we're putting in this melted butter and the warm milk. Put in your sugar, and I sift in the cocoa powder. Then I'll give it a good mix. Our Lamington is ready out of the oven and it's cold, guys. Can you see it? Yeah, so we're going to be cutting it into cubes. We have our chocolate ready, our coconut. In the spirit of Christmas, what I want to do is, I want to color this green, red, and white just so we could get the Christmas vibes. Okay, so let's take this out of the baking pan. It's out, so clean from the pan. Can you guys see it? Move the baking paper. Woo, woo, woo. I love this, guys. I love it already. Now we're going to be cutting it into cubes. Let me just remove the edges to get a perfect square. Who is for the cake crumbs? Who wants some cake crumbs? Then I'm going to cut this into cubes. It's Lamington cubes, yeah? So we're going to cut this into cubes. Yummy, yummy, yummy cubes. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yum, 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 hey, in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, yum. Yum, 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 hey. Let's go. Okay, let me see. Let me first get the middle, okay? I need to make this as perfect as possible. I can get 4 here. Getting the side is way too deep. Turn it to the other side and I repeat the process. The Lamington cubes are ready. Can you see it? The Lamington cubes ready? Now we're going to attend to this one after the other. I told you guys we're going to be coloring some of the coconut green and red, green, red and white. Now I'll be dipping my Lamington cubes into the chocolate. You know, just dip it in, make sure all the sides has the chocolate. Then I set it aside. I repeat the process for all the Lamington cubes before I now start putting the coconut. I told you guys that we're using different colors. We have the red, we have the white, and we have the green. In the spirit of Christmas, now it's time for the green. Yeah, it's time for me to put the green coconut. And how did I get the colors? It's just by adding food coloring to your grated coconut. Guys, it is all ready. Do you guys like it? In the spirit of Christmas, you guys can have some. All of you that have been here from the beginning of the video to the end, you guys can have some, okay? Because of what? Because you guys deserve it. Yup. Wow. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop your comment. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I will definitely reply. Thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Do have a blessed and a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, depends on the time that you are watching this video. I truly appreciate you. Do have a blessed time. Bye, guys.